Elica we're a range hood manufacturer. We're out of Italy. We've been there based for 1970. We have 8 plants around the globe, yet I bet most of you in here have never heard of us, and yet we're the largest producer of range hoods on the planet. I'd like to introduce the Stony Island hood. It's a 5-inch high, slim Italian piece that we've produced. It blends both stainless and glass into a beautiful piece. The controls are nice. Of course, they will handle the blower and the lighting, but they also will dim out when not in use. From a design standpoint, it's very nice. The hood itself has a powerful 600 CFM blower. It's also complemented by perimeter aspiration technology, which enhances the performance of the hood itself. We've also added LED lighting, which is infinitely dimmable, so you can set the absolute perfect mood. In addition, Elica has some really cool usage. As far as how it will work, sound is a big issue that consumers were worried about. This has a hushed sound suppression system that we've put into it, reduces sound by over 30%, so you can cook up a storm and still entertain at the same time. We also have this technology called Stream that's built into the hood, which makes the hood completely automatic. Some of you out here have probably run across a situation where you've turned on the hood, you didn't turn on the hood, but started cooking, and all of a sudden the smoke alarm goes off. Well, with this particular product, that's never a problem because it's completely automatic. When the product is paired with one of our induction cooktops, the two appliances talk to each other. So when you start cooking, it sends a signal to the hood and will operate automatically. It will set the blower and will operate seamlessly for you. So all I can say is if you like what you see here with the Stony, I encourage you to come to our booth. We're in West 670. We have a lot of other great products we'd love to show you.
Nice work, Matt. You guys got some questions for him?
Is it a baffle or a filter?
Oh, on this particular hood, it's behind that perimeter aspiration plate, which is that rectangular piece underneath the hood. There are filters. There's aluminum mesh filters behind there.
Questions? Why do you guys make me do this? I know you got questions. And his jacket is just as soft as Bob's was, just so I'm seeing.
What is the CFM range?
It's 600 CFM, but it's complemented by that perimeter aspiration technology, which enhances the performance even greater than that.
You had me at perimeter aspiration. Any other questions?
Yes.
Right here, right behind the center.
What's the automatic sensor? How does it work?
Well, there's sensor in the hood as well as in the cooktop below, and it's when you turn on that burner, it sends a signal to the hood, and it receives that. At the same time, the hood is constantly monitoring temperature and moisture, and it will self-regulate. So it will set the optimum speed for the blower to effectively ventilate the hood. So, I mean, basically, when this hood, when you finish cooking, you walk away, it will turn off on its own. It will turn on its own, it will turn off on its own. Essentially, when you get this hood installed, you never have to touch it ever again.
Wow. I just got really excited. I'm like, wait, really?
What is the optimum mounting height off the cooktop?
Over electric or induction, we say no less than 24, but generally 30 is the best. Over gas, we're recommending no less than 30 inches so we can protect the controls. Yes.
Question to your right.
So you mentioned about the lighting in it. So does
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. What?
You mentioned the lighting in the unit and how everything's automatic. And it dims. So does the lighting respond to whether there's a lot of daylight or how do you control the lighting in it?
Well, there's a button on the actual controls that will control that, and so when you depress it, you can infinitely increase it or decrease it. And so you can get just the right amount of light that you want. So it's not like it's a 1 or 2, like an on or off, or one step up. This, you can really fine tune it. So it's a nice feature. You can just set the perfect mood.
And that's all the questions for Matt. Where time's up. Sorry, I know the microphone was just passed. Save the conversation, save the question, and hit Matt's booth. Matt, where's your booth again?
670 in the West Hall. Please
And-
come visit us.
Yeah.